90,000 deep bottom donut fryer. First off, the overall dimension. Overall length, we have 23.5 inches. Depth of 41.5 inches. And a height of 34 inches tall. Height with the back cover, we have 57 inches. Included will be the cover, and beneath will be the actual tray for donuts and your funnel cakes. So this will be placed over the level with the area where the burners are. And with this, that will act as your cover to open and close while your donuts, funnel cakes, and products are deep fried. Coming beneath is your ETL certification, along with the information on this tag indicating the components within this fryer, and underneath the valve and the temperature control. This tray holding your donuts and funnel cakes can be placed on top of here on the stand, working as a bench and a storage base for your donuts while the rest are cooking. And the measurements for the storage area, we have 20 length inches by 30 3/4 inches in depth. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product.